beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find here makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. So I'll go ahead and address the elephant in the room. I know my brows are looking quite intense. That's because I'm about to do an IGTV video and the makeup is dramatic. So I be needing dark brows, you know? Don't clack me, okay? If you guys are not aware yet, this is a vlog. So if you want like a sit down, more high quality video, I'll go ahead and post those up for you. But as you can tell, this is a vlog on self tanner and my reviews on it and if it works. So if you want to see that, this is over the course of about a week and a half. I'm gonna be breaking down all of the details and all of the tea on if black people can fake tan. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So this is what I am using. Let it focus. The Jergens Instant Sun. This is in their deep bronze. So, alright. I'm using this little sponge I got. It's for lotions, makeups, all types of things. And I just don't want to get it on me. I just took a shower like about an hour ago, so I'm pretty dry. I did not put any lotion on because I said not to, so we gonna see. It says, work with your unique skin tone to instantly deliver flawless, natural looking color that mimics results from the sun and lasts for days. Formulated with advanced color complex, this airy mousse spreads evenly for flawless color that dries in 60 seconds. So honestly, for me, I have been struggling to look an even skin tone. So like, I'm not obviously trying to get darker, more so than I'm trying to get even. And it's definitely already making me like more bronzed. I can see that now. So we'll see. I'm just gonna do this whole arm. I guess my hands too. I don't know how this really works. I'm like new to this life. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what the mousse looks like. And I'm gonna do the rest of this arm because I wasn't really trying to start here yet, but I did. Wow, for me personally, I can see a difference already. And not just being like dry, like literally just like actual color. I don't know how I feel about this color. It's like very bronzed indeed. So I'm probably gonna need my mom to do my back for me. Now obviously on camera, I'm gonna do my entire boob, but like obviously for camera, I'm not going to. Wow. Now I would like say I don't really recommend this because it like soaks in. It soaks in a lot of the product, so you're just like wasting it. Okay, so this is what we're looking like now. It's dried. I wish I would have did this up more close, but like it's literally so golden. It looks so good. I'm quite impressed. I could do my legs. Hold on, y'all. Okay, guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my legs. Alright guys, so that is day one. I'm gonna come back and do this a second time because it says in the directions that you can do for a more dramatic tan. But honestly, I feel good. Like I look good. I feel very golden and bronzed already. So yeah, we're gonna do another day and then yeah, I'll come back. In terms of like the actual bottle, it's like right here. So I was able to do my entire body one time. And it's like about right here. So, and I feel like I would have been able to use less if I didn't use that sponge and like one of those like little arms that everyone uses, like the little mittens, because that's like soaking up so much product. All right guys, so it is day like 4. I have definitely gotten a little lighter. I'm fresh out the shower, but I just wanted to be as honest as possible with this. I don't know how time got away with me, but I guess I'm able to show you guys how long it lasts. I still feel like I am darker than what I typically am, especially because this light is really bright. Like, I feel like that's as close to natural. I just have like a very like golden color. For this time, I'm actually just going to use my hands because I feel like I wasted a lot of product using that little sponge that I used. So I'm going to do it as fast as possible. I guess I have to do this really quickly so I can wash my hands, and I'm just going to fast forward it. And then I'm actually going to do again tomorrow. So that's all 1 week. You can see how long it lasts and all of that stuff. So second round, let's go. Okay, honestly, I'm really satisfied with this. Do you guys see how dark I am? This is not even necessarily, like, no, my arms are literally golden. It looks like I went to the beach, like, and I'd be staying like this for, like, this is day 4, and I've taken a shower. Yesterday I took 2 showers, steaming hot water. In terms of my hands, I washed my hands once. I'm gonna do my legs. I'll just do them off camera, and then I'm gonna do it again one more time tomorrow just so you guys can see. But I feel good. I am very insecure about these sunspots that I have on my body. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I have sunspots on my body, like just here on my chest area. So they've like toned them out. Like you can still see them a little bit, but just like not to that extent. So I'm really ecstatic about all of this, guys. I'm looking good. I'm not willing to put this on my face because I just don't know. My skin's been being very sensitive right now, so we'll pass on that. But more to come. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just want to show you guys my final results before I went ahead and posted this. I wanted to show you on my arms. My brows are really looking crazy, but look how dark I am. Look at this. You're going to ignore my arm fat. Look at this. Look how dark I am. I'm really Kelly Rowland Brown. I went ahead and did another round off camera. I didn't think you guys needed to see that for like a 5th time, you know. So yeah, this is where we're at now. I am the darkest I've ever been. Super just bronzed overall, just like really good color. And I am quite impressed with my results. I will say that I fell asleep with self-tanner on my fingers. And like, well, I washed my hands, but I guess I didn't wash them well enough. And I went to sleep, I had nothing on my hands, but I guess it gets darker over time because this is how I woke up. I would definitely recommend wearing some type of gloves or something of that sort, because even though it says that like the color you are is after 60 seconds, I personally feel like it gets darker. Like I've gotten darker overnight. So yeah. I will say, since I've done this now over the course of about a week and a half, I don't really start to fade out until like day 4 or 5. So that's how I feel about that. I think that for the time that it takes to do, literally 3-4 minutes, like it's like putting on lotion after your shower. If you want that instant bronze like glow, this is for you. Even my legs are bronzed, you know. Like, look at the girl. This is where you can really see, because this underside of my skin is usually really light. I obviously feel like I look like, this is how I would look if I went on vacation. I would never just be looking like this, but even in like my IGTV videos, I look significantly bronzer, browner. Like I'm a fan and I stand. The only areas that I really focus on is my chest area, my arms, and then my legs. My stomach and like my back, and I don't know, my stomach has always been so much darker than the rest of my body. That's just part of being a black woman. Like you have different shades of melanin all over. But like now it's finally starting to like match. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Did you know that black people can fake tan? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.